it says 16 raised to the power of x minus 4 is equal to 1024. And we have to solve for the value of x in this question. Alright? First thing we can do here is to say that 1024 is equal to 2 to the power of 10. Okay? So 2 raised to the power of 10 is 1024. On the other hand, 16 is equal to 2 to the power of what? Of 4. Now, we can rewrite this equation as 16, which is now going to be replaced with 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of x minus 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 10. Moving on from here, we have, when you have a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to the power of m multiplied by n. This becomes 2 to the power of 4x minus 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 10. Right? Now, in order to eliminate this negative, we multiply both sides by 2 to the power of 16. So we say this 2 to the power of 4x minus 16 multiplied by 2 to the power of 16 should be equal to 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 16. Alright? Because when you have this becomes 2 to the power of 4x minus 16 plus 16. So be equal to 2 to the power of 10 plus 16. Now moving on from here, we are going to have 2 to the power of 4x minus 16 plus 16 is 0, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 26. Now 2 strikes 2 because the bases are the same, you can equate the powers so that 4x now becomes equal to 26. Hence our x now becomes equal to 13 over 2, which is equal to 6.5. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching, guys.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.